just getting ready to do the first trip here with the grandchildren. So that's some of the gear there, we're getting ready, and then we'll take you out to the van. At the back here we just have a cool box there with some drinking water and bits and pieces in it. Night, wee chairs for the children. This is the shower. I can just plug in the shower. There's the shower head and bits and pieces. I just plug that in if I need it, and hit the wee switch, and that'll waste them down their feet if they're on the beach or whatever. And that's the back of the van there. I put in those cupboards there just as you can see, just for bits and pieces, nothing really special, but I have a toolkit in here, brush and shovel and wee bits and pieces, and that's that. So, got plenty of water there, plenty of water in the cool box, and I'll just show you where I put the water in the kitchen. So there's the wee switch switch our water on, and again just on a wee bag for bits and pieces, first aid kit, and there's the water is filled up. And though they're only half the size, and I don't mind that because it means I throw it out fairly frequently, and then it doesn't smell. So that's the setup there, and I'll show you the bed once I get ready for bed this evening. But that's our bed there. It's made up, and it says permanently made up all the time. A couple of bits and pieces on top. So that's the setup. Okay, we put a wee bit of stuff just in between the front seats, and that's the stuff there. Just be underneath. The children don't know it yet, but the sleeping bags there, one's a piece of boy and a girl, see two different colours, and the wife has a bit of stuff there. Now I know I have units to make up here on both sides, but I mean we have a boiler room in this place here, toilet in underneath this here, and we have the battery set up and bits and pieces. And by the way, the battery works a treat, not a problem at all. That's a 200 amp battery, and it'll run this fridge here and lights and bits and pieces. If anybody's going away just for a week, look, that's not a problem. The battery set up, the 200 amp battery set up, and the DC to DC charger, no problem at all running them, and that runs the sink and bits and pieces. Now I haven't run the diesel heater. Now it'll take a bit of power, but once it gets up and running, it's very easy to keep it running. So there's them wee steps there, they just fold up and down, and we'll have them up at the minute. But they don't move in the van, so we normally keep them out, or we can fold them there if we want to, but the wife sits on them sometimes there. She wants to do a wee bit of food at the fridge in there, bits and pieces, so we'll keep them out and they seem to stay in the same place. Okay.
Okay folks, so today we're going to show you a new set, well not a new, we bought them off eBay, of Milenko ramps. It's the one with the 4 steps up on it. I think they call them Quattro 3. The cost is £50 plus the postage. And the reason we got these ones now, they're very big and they seem to be quite heavy.
Not too bad, not too bad.
No, not too bad in singles. Turn around to see, that's it there. Yeah. Quattro Milenko 3, yeah, of course the dog's inspecting it too. Sorry, the reason that we got these ones is they give the extra lift up. There's 4 lifts, if you know what I mean, up on them, and the reason being not so much for when we're away, well dear knows where we'll end up, but not so much when we're away, but really for Eddie when he tries to service her, you know, changing oil, that type of thing. And as we homemade ramps, in all fairness, like they did the job when he was doing all the drilling, but these would be a better a better, safer way of going. One. That's one. You see that's moving them. 2, 3, 2. We're on to 2. 3. 4. That's it now. Now we have her. Now we have her. Now we have her.
Good height there.
That's up a great height, Eddie. But that'll give you, yeah, that'll give you great clearance to, yeah. Here's our big fella, hello Blue. He's square height, he's a big boy, aren't you? A big boy, keeping us all right, aren't you? Keeping us all right. I've already said that. Yeah. Anyway, the reason that we've got the extra height is for servicing. So Eddie can slip himself in underneath, have a good look around. Yeah, good room to work. Good room to work, Eddie. Yeah? Good job. Good job. Yeah.
I would have went for the smaller ones, only it's just really easy to service.
Yeah.
So
everything has to have a double job, doesn't it?
I have a double job for me anyway.
Yeah, so not only will she level us up if we get onto uneven ground, which I hope won't be that too often, she'll also help then with the servicing, which was a big plus. Even though Eddie has the lift, it obviously can't take the weight of a van, but even in our shed you would never even get the van in, so this is a good help. Good job. Now, getting down at these buckles. That's it. 3, 2, 1. We have liftoff. There we go. Good job. There you are, folks. So that's our new, well, new to us, Malenko Quattro 3. Yeah, I'm going to keep them in the van. We'll show you where Eddie's stores his precious wee goodies. Yeah. Hello, big guy. Is he doing it right, Blue? You tell him. You tell him. Yeah. Yeah.
Now they're not awfully heavy, but the shorter ones would be lighter.
Yeah.
But you can't get the same height.
No.
So I wanted that.
I must get a height on them, Eddie.
I want to get an extra wee bit.
Yeah. Over here. Very good. So the bottom wedge in first. That's the business. And then that's it. Blue's stuck in everything. Mad for playing. Mad for a bit of crack. And I'm not talking about the drugs, by the way.
No?
I wouldn't know who'd be listening to the video. They don't realise maybe sometimes crack is fun over here in Ireland.
Yeah,
that's it. So that's where it is. So it's just sitting in our boot, which I have to say is fantastic. Look at the space we have in here. That's our diesel tank. The lights, wee barbecue, yeah, it fits in there perfectly. The water for the wee portable shower, so Eddie can take that off. He's all rigged up in there to the electrics. That's where he's storing the ramps, which fits in so nicely and up against the tank. It's secured as well. You can't really see that from here, as is the water tank. So there.
That's the
Good
shower.
job. Yep, that's a wee portable shower, and that's our shelves up there fantastic job. It does make the bed sort of go out into the cab a wee bit, but sure, what odds? Look at the space we have here in the back. So yeah, folks, that's us for the day.